All right, so today is April April 23rd, 2026. Now, today in the stock market, I took a super easy, nice and short 1-to-1 on NQ on my Top Step account and a 1-to-2 on my Lucid account. Now, reasons for taking this trade and fading or not fading, but going against the overall trend. If you go into the hourly time frame pre-market, you can see that we wicked a lot where these lows are. So we're generating a lot of LR or low resistance liquidity, right? You see how it kind of goes up in a straight line like a pyramid. Each wick does not touch, the last wick. When this happens, you can see this as manipulated sell order. So like later, right? Probably around PM session or Asia session, we're gonna run these lows. We're gonna run all of these lows. And after we run these lows, normally what happens is we will create a really clean wick or body and pump up out of here. So you want to see the market go like, you know, I don't know how to show y'all, but you want to see the market come from here to then here, right? That's how the market moves. It goes up, down, then up. So when taking trades intraday or being a day trader, especially the time zone that I trade at, which is the New York Open, normally, to be honest, I am not in a trade very long, right? Sometimes, right? And especially during normal price action, I can be in a trade for an hour to 2 hours long. But for the last 2 months, we have not had normal price action. We have not really ran all of our buy sides or sell side objectives, right? Or if we do, we rarely get A plus setups within this market condition. So everything you take is super discretional and based off of your biases, right? Everything you take in this market. So the best way to navigate these markets is to be super hands off. You want to have strict criteria for entry. Like this trade, I did not enter until we came up into a imbalance that was on a higher time frame than the 3 minute, right? A 15-minute time frame plus the 1 minute, ifvg respecting a 15-minute imbalance, that is a good trade to me, right? Mechanically. This normally could even you could take this and it could retrace into another bullish PDRA and pump up. But we're not looking to catch the whole day. I'm looking to catch a small piece of the pie. So I do not mind taking profits at 1-to-1. I don't mind going break even fast and taking a break even trade. I don't mind protecting my capital within these markets super fast and being picky because nothing is guaranteed, right? To hit TP randomly while I'm in a trade, Donald Trump, all that has to happen is Trump could say Iran and us just agreed to a ceasefire agreement. And if I'm in shorts, the market will pump. Or he could say the war is over and the market will pump. He could say anything. There's a million things these politicians and that could happen in the news while I'm in a trade that I am not too hung up on trying to catch a crazy move. I am okay with whatever I can get. And I am super okay if I can get away with, not losing. So today there's not a lot to go over, It to be honest, unless you have convictions like I have in these shorts, there was no trades for you today other than longs. There's longs like in all-time highs. I feel like basically any inverse fair value gap higher could be taken for longs, right? I'm not gonna lie. Like even you could take the most pattern trade long, and it probably is gonna play out without any high time frame manipulation. But um, it's super low probability. It may look sloppy. Like if you see this is super sloppy PA, right? The shorts were way cleaner here. This is sloppy. There's no, you could take a trade here, but this is discretionary, right? Whether you will hold this or not. And with how all times highs move, to be honest, this shit's probably gonna keep pumping. If I'm gonna be honest with you. But that's the trade day. Like I don't have a lot to say, and there's not a lot to comment on. Let me know in the comment section, what y'all did today, or if y'all even trade, or just let me know about y'all day. And have a good day. I don't know. Have a good rest of y'all days.